As a clean and green skincare brand at Sanjeevita, we take steps to limit the environmental impact of raw materials, manufacturing processes, and packaging components that are used to create our skincare products. We use compostable as well as recyclable packaging components that can be processed by our local recycling provider. As we plan to expand our product range, we have explored recycling solutions that will work for difficult to recycle components. Based on data available from 2018, only 9% of plastic is recycled in the US. A February 2021 article about global cleanup on earthday.org's website stated that lasting impacts are built upon small daily actions that add up over time, and small groups can make lasting impacts on plastics. That is why we are requesting the local community to support our recycling program. Many cosmetic packaging components are sent to the landfill. To guide collective efforts of our community, here we have put together information about a cosmetic package recycling program that Sanjeevita had joined to help divert cosmetic waste away from the landfills. To reduce the environmental impact of cosmetic packaging, few cosmetic brands and specialty stores offer bring back programs. TerraCycle is a New Jersey based technology company that has partnered with many brands to bring back recyclable packaging. Sanjeevita has been granted access to one program run by TerraCycle in partnership with Garnier. A key highlight of this program is that it accepts used packaging of all cosmetic brands. To contribute towards this program, Sanjeevita is reaching out to the members of our local community to raise awareness and to collect used personal care and beauty packaging that is usually sent to the landfills by our local recycling plants. Many cosmetic packaging components are sent to the landfill as they cannot be processed by the recycling plants due to factors such as residual contamination, package size, material of construction. Some examples include packaging that is smaller in size than a credit card, travel size lotion tubes, black colored plastic, lip balm, single use sachet, hair sprays, lotion pumps, etc. The prominent feature of Garnier TerraCycle program is that it accepts such difficult to recycle waste. The recycling program accepts used packaging from skincare and hair care products as well as color cosmetics. Since Sanjivita joined the recycling program, we have received many queries from people who needed further clarification on items that can be recycled through this program. In addition, we have also spent significant time in segregating and cleaning the packaging that was sent to us for recycling. So, we have created this list and a visual guide to describe the process and types of packaging that can be recycled through this program. Check with your local recycling service provider about acceptable types of non plastic and plastic packaging. Empty the contents into solid waste. Clean and dry containers prior to recycling, as unclean containers get rejected due to residual contamination and are sent to the landfill. Many residential single stream recycling providers accept plastic number 1 through 7. So, most containers larger than a credit card can be recycled through local recycling providers. Segregate smaller components like caps and pumps and send those for recycling through the Garnier TerraCycle program. If any of the used packaging shown here is put into residential recycling, it will most likely be diverted to a landfill. Therefore, each month we collect, clean, and sort such waste and ship it to TerraCycle for further processing. Multi-component parts. Not all recycling plants can handle multi-component parts. For example, glass droppers made with plastic and glass, pumps made of plastic and metal. These are sent to the landfill by residential recycling plants. However, the Garnier TerraCycle recycling program accepts this waste. Color cosmetic packs contain multiple components and are accepted through the Garnier TerraCycle program. You do not need to clean your items before sending it. However, it is advisable to remove as much of the remaining product as possible. For all types of packaging, please allow the components to dry if you choose to rinse the package. Packaging with flammable and pressurized materials such as nail polish and hairspray aerosol cans are not acceptable. Empty nail polish containers are smaller in size than a credit card and contain residual contamination. For members of our community who would like to contribute toward this program, following are the details. Discharge unused contents to empty out the containers. Discard the contents into solid waste. Avoid discharge in wastewater. Segregate large containers and pull smaller components like caps, pumps, small packs, and color cosmetics. Recycle large containers through your residential recycling program. Cleaned, empty, or partially empty packaging, such as caps, pumps, color cosmetics, will be collected once a month by Sanjeevita. Please email us to schedule a drop off or pickup. Sanjeevita will pull the contents submitted by all and then mail it to TerraCycle. These are some of the used packaging components we have shipped to TerraCycle. As more consumers and businesses come forward in support of sustainable development, here are some ways in which corporations and consumers can contribute to make a positive impact going beyond reduce, reuse, and recycle. Use of biodegradable packaging can be challenging to adopt due to concerns about product stability, but some brands are taking steps to reformulate products and offer product refills. Some retailers are taking steps to collect recyclable packaging and to ban the use of single-use packs. Individual consumers can contribute through their efforts to repurpose packaging waste, taking the initiative to remove waste, refuse the use of unnecessary or redundant packaging, and rally to call on local leaders to enact meaningful change. Thank you for your time in reviewing these program details. We encourage you to participate in our recycling program and other initiatives within your local communities to have a meaningful contribution towards sustainable development.